Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Galatians 6:9. Gardening is the art that uses flowers and plants as paint, and the soil and sky as canvas. Hello, wonderful gardeners. As the chill of fall sets in, the promise of a vibrant spring garden lies just beneath the surface. And no, you can't just Netflix and chill your way to a blooming garden. Today, I'm sharing 7 essential tasks you must do in late fall to ensure your garden bursts into life come spring. Think of it as your garden's to-do list, minus the procrastination. First up, clean up your garden beds. Yes, it's time to play Marie Kondo with your plants. Remove any dead plants, weeds, and debris. If it doesn't spark joy, it's gotta go. This not only makes your garden look tidy, but also prevents pests and diseases from overwintering. Think of it as Pest Eviction Day. Think of it as giving your garden a fresh canvas for the next season. Picasso would be proud. Next, don't forget to compost those leaves. Because who needs a leaf blower when you can have compost gold? Instead of raking them to the curb, add them to your compost pile. Your garden will thank you later. Leaves are a fantastic source of carbon, which balances out the nitrogen in your compost. It's like a balanced diet for your soil. In a few months, you'll have rich organic matter to nourish your spring plants. It's like magic, but with more dirt. Number 3, plant cover crops. Think of them as your garden's winter pajamas. These are your garden's winter blanket. Cozy, right? Cover crops like clover or rye help prevent soil erosion, suppress weeds, and improve soil health. Plus, they add a lovely layer of green to your garden even in the cold months. It's like a winter wonderland, but greener. Plus, they add a lovely layer of green to your garden even in the cold months. It's like a winter wonderland, but greener. Fourth on the list, take care of your tools. Because even garden tools need a spa day. Clean, sharpen, and oil your garden tools before storing them away. They'll be as good as new, ready to tackle spring. Properly maintained tools make all the difference when spring arrives, saving you time and effort. Now let's talk bulbs. No, not the light kind. Fall is the perfect time to plant spring-blooming bulbs like tulips, daffodils, and crocuses. It's like planting little surprises for your future self. Dig a hole, place the bulb pointy side up, cover with soil, and you're set. It's as easy as planting a surprise party. Come spring, you'll be greeted with a burst of color. It's like nature's confetti. Sixth, mulch, mulch, mulch. Because your garden deserves a cozy blanket too. A thick layer of mulch insulates your soil, retains moisture, and suppresses weeds. It's like a cozy blanket for your garden beds, helping them stay healthy and protected throughout winter. And finally, plan next year's garden. Because even gardens need a vision board. Use these quiet months to dream, research, and sketch out your garden designs. It's like Pinterest, but for plants. Whether you're trying new plants, rethinking your layout, or expanding your space, planning ahead ensures you're ready to hit the ground running when spring arrives. And avoid any garden FOMO. So there you have it, 7 essential tasks to prepare for a blossoming spring garden. Your garden will thank you, and so will your future self. Remember, the work you do now sets the stage for a beautiful, thriving garden. It's like planting the seeds of your garden's future success. Thank you for joining me today. And remember, a garden is a friend you can visit anytime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow garden enthusiasts. Because sharing is caring, especially when it comes to gardens. Happy gardening, and may your efforts be rewarded with a stunning spring bloom. Until next time, keep those green thumbs busy. See you next time.